Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable high contrast and disable it on Windows 10. To begin, before we start, we want to make sure that we have an activated version of Windows, otherwise this feature will not work for you. To begin, we want to open up the Start menu and go to Settings. From there, we're going to open up the Ease of Access tab on the right side. From here, you want to go to Color Filters, under color filters, which you can find high contrast. Now to simply turn it on, you want to press on this right here, and it's going to tell you please wait. And as you can see, high contrast has been enabled, so everything now looks different. And there we go. So we can also change the theme to high contrast white, which I think looks absolutely amazing and much better. Or we can change it to high contrast 2, which is like green, or a high contrast 1, which is like a yellow green. And in order to turn off this feature, we simply want to go right here and press on it again. And it's going to tell you please wait, and as you can see, it's completely off. We're back to normal Windows experience. So there you have it. That is how you can turn on and off high contrast mode on Windows 10. If you did like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's new tech tutorials daily. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.